Here we come to the elevators at the Rev Student Living in College Station, Texas on Northgate. These are TKE installed 2.5 years ago. I know I recorded these elevators a while back showing the rooftop floor, but I see why not get another take of these elevators here. Anyways, these are TKE installed in 2023, and these are one of the fastest elevator and tallest building in College Station. Well, this for now, just a heads up guys, this for now is still the tallest building, at least for now, but there's another building that's even taller being built right now, which you see a photo that I just included, will officially become the tallest building once completed. Anyways, here's this elevator right here. In case you're wondering why I have the key fob and have access to this building,
Floor P1.
One of my fans have actually commented on my video stating that they saw me in this building who live here. That got me granted access. So whoever that commented on one of my videos, a big thank you goes out to you.
Floor 7 going up.
What floor, sir?
11.
Goodness, my ears
Floor
cracked.
11 going up.
These are one of the fastest elevators here in College Station. It's not typically every day you would find a small town with a high-speed elevator. Here's Mr. Security. And would you look, you can see the lights in the shaft. I didn't even realize that they have the shaft lights on. All right, let's see if we can get a nonstop ride interrupted. Whee! Man, these are fast.
Floor 19.
Gotta hear this motor going down. It is incredible. All right, I think we're gonna switch
Floor
elevator cars.
P1.
Unfortunately, the elevator car on the right is broken, so we only have this one and the elevator car on the left. And something you may notice, look how bigger this one is than this one. See, look at that. I didn't even notice that until now.
Going up.
This one's definitely a lot bigger. I can notice the wide angle on the COP.
Fifth floor going up.
What floor?
9.
9th floor, going up.
I want to give a huge thank you to one of my fans who actually lives in the building, who commented on the video. Again, thank you so beyond much. Today was just a very, very lucky day.
19th floor.
See, that is looking down to the elevator shaft. Look at that. And my camera has a hard time. There we go. See, that is a view down the elevator shaft. Oh yeah, you can see the car top for the elevator car that is down. All right, this time, what we are going to do now is we're going to get a full view of that vent down there for the next trip.
Seventh floor, going down.
Which one do you want? Like, you want me to buy something, put you in the...
What floor would you like?
2, please.
You're good?
What floor?
First floor, going down.
All right, before we take another trip, I want to look up the shaft. I forgot to do that earlier ago.
Floor P1.
You see the ropes up there, and this appears to be an MRL. See, look at that. All right, here is the shaft view. Here we go. All the way back down.
Floor P1.
Woo, that was a view. And here is the top view. Unfortunately, I cannot put my phone any higher than it already is because our arms are not that long enough to raise the camera close to the ceiling. So I do apologize that the focus is not so well through the vent.
19th floor. Floor P1.
All right, guys, what do y'all think of that view at that vent?
Going up.
Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end the video on 1. But yeah, that was a much more proper take on these elevators at the Rev.
First floor, going up.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. There it goes. And that is going to be it.